Someone spent $150,000 transforming this 1968 Chevelle into a modern street monster with an LS V8, luxury upgrades, and classic muscle that still turns heads everywhere. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a machine that perfectly blends the golden age of American muscle with the technology and performance of today, the stunning 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod. At first glance, this Chevelle looks like a timeless classic straight from the late 1960s, but the moment you look closer, you realize this is far more than a restored muscle car. This is a carefully built Restomod designed to deliver vintage style, modern performance, and a driving experience worthy of its $150,000 price tag. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its deep blue paint, silver vinyl top, and aggressive muscle car stance. The iconic Chevelle body lines remain untouched, preserving the legendary design that made this car one of Chevrolet's most respected performance machines. But this build adds modern details that elevate its presence, including custom graphics, aftermarket headlights, custom accents, factory badging, a fresh grille, and a powerful cowl hood that hints at the performance hiding underneath. The chrome bumper shines against the blue exterior, creating the perfect contrast between classic Chevrolet heritage and custom-built attitude. Every angle of this Chevelle tells a story, from the muscular front end to the wide rear stance. This is a car built to be noticed. But the real excitement begins when you open the hood. Instead of the original powertrain, this Chevelle has been upgraded with a modern GM 6.0-liter LS V8 engine. Known for its reliability, performance potential, and everyday drivability, the LS platform has become one of the most popular choices for high-end Restomod builds. Combined with an aftermarket fuel injection setup, this engine delivers smooth power, quick response, and modern efficiency while maintaining the raw character enthusiasts expect from a classic muscle car. Keeping temperatures under control is an aluminum radiator paired with twin electronic controlled fans, ensuring this Chevelle can handle cruising, highway driving, or spirited runs without compromise. Power is sent through a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, providing strength and reliability while making this classic easier and more enjoyable to drive. Out back, a 12-bolt rear end with a limited slip differential helps deliver that power to the pavement, while the aftermarket differential bearing support cover adds durability for serious driving. This Chevelle isn't just about straight-line performance. The suspension and braking systems have been completely upgraded to match the modern drivetrain. Stopping power comes from a performance braking setup featuring power disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, and Wilwood 4-piston rear calipers. These upgrades provide confidence behind the wheel and give this classic Chevrolet the control expected from a modern performance car. Handling has also been transformed with aftermarket tubular upper and lower front control arms, an upgraded front sway bar, and UMI Performance shocks. These improvements create a more balanced driving experience, allowing the Chevelle to corner with confidence while maintaining a comfortable ride. The car rides on beautiful American racing polished wheels wrapped in Michelin Performance tires. With 235/45 ZR17 tires in the front and wider 275/40 ZR17 tires in the rear, this staggered setup gives the Chevelle an aggressive appearance while improving traction and stability. Underneath, the attention to detail continues. The frame has been painted, the floorboards have been finished, and the car features a new gas tank, new brake lines, and a new drive shaft. The dual exhaust system with Flowmaster full-length jet-coated headers and Flowmaster mufflers delivers the unmistakable sound of American V8 power stepper inside, and the transformation continues. The interior combines classic muscle car style with modern comfort. The black interior creates a premium atmosphere, while the Recaro front bucket seats provide both support and a sporty driving position. A center console, staple shifter, aftermarket steering column, and custom steering wheel complete the driver-focused cockpit. Modern touches continue throughout the cabin, with aftermarket rig gauges placed in the factory location, an upgraded air control panel, and aftermarket air conditioning and heat, making this Chevelle enjoyable in any season. The attention to craftsmanship even extends into the trunk, where custom panels create a clean and finished appearance. This is not just a performance machine, it is a complete luxury build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate quality from every angle. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod represents everything people love about classic American cars. It has the legendary styling of the muscle car era, combined with the reliability, comfort, and performance of modern engineering. With its GM 6.0L LS V8, upgraded suspension, premium braking system, custom interior, and show quality appearance, this Chevelle proves that a classic car can offer the best of both worlds. It's not simply a piece of automotive history. It's a completely reimagined driving experience. A $150,000 investment like this is for someone who wants more than a garage trophy. It's for someone who wants a classic Chevrolet that can be admired at a show, enjoyed on the open road, and remembered every time the engine comes alive. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Restomod is where legendary muscle meets modern performance, a true American icon rebuilt for the future.